Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU Oil Change Kits. This kit fits the 2007 and onward Sprinter models that came with a 3-liter V6 diesel engine. In this kit, we include 13 liters of the RAVENOL HLS 5W30 synthetic engine oil, a Mahle oil filter with seals, and the drain plug sealing crush washer. The RAVENOL HLS is a premium synthetic engine oil that is made and bottled in Germany. It's specifically engineered for the Mercedes Benz diesel engines that came equipped with a diesel particulate filter emission system. Its high quality has been confirmed directly by Mercedes Benz. It carries formal OEM approvals for the Mercedes Benz MB 229.51 and 229.52 oil quality standards, which is what Mercedes recommends for the Sprinter 3-liter V6 diesel engine. What really sets this oil apart from others is RAVENOL's Clean Sinto technology. Clean Sinto is a higher quality synthetic than what's typically used in the industry and features a highly advanced additive package engineered and made in Germany. Some of the benefits you'll notice is a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel economy. To learn even more about the benefits of using RAVENOL HLS, feel free to visit our website. For the oil filter, we include a Mahle oil filter, which is our preferred filter due to their high quality level. They are an OEM oil filter manufacturer that has been supplying many of the German automakers for decades. As well, the filter includes all the necessary O-rings for the filter housing to properly replace the oil filter. As well, we include the sealing crush washer for the drain plug. So that is a quick product overview for our BLAU Oil Change Kit for the Sprinter models that came equipped with the 3-liter V6 diesel engine. If you have any other questions or for more information on our oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.